Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining world largest, fast and super fast browser. It called Waterfox browser. So I just open Waterfox home browser and just like wow. So fast and private web browser, get privacy and the box with Waterfox. So just click download and download. Already I have download and set up. So it's taking and loading. I just hold my video. So guys, I done my Waterfox install. So I'm just click open and start to the browser and 7 continue. Set Waterfox default browser input data from previous browser. So 7 continue. Okay, Mozilla Firefox and Chrome. So I like Chrome and next version. Okay, version 1 and select or not. So I'm just starting our browser and as like Mozilla Firefox. So it's Mozilla Firefox or Waterfox is the same browser but different name and websites Bing. So guys, next video I am sure how to customize your Waterfox browsers. So today's video, till then.